Hi guys, it's Martini again. You're welcome to Spiderweb. So today we're going to be working on how to give an extra styling to a form. As you can see here, the full form has its color, and we have a different color. On the normal day, it's usually white, the white color here when each field is on focus, but we gave our own color. So we'll be taking a tutorial on this. Kindly like, share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos to come. So we're going to create just exactly this kind of video form. So let's start. Okay, so first I'm going to delete this guy. Let me save that. I'm going to delete this guy. Let's take a new form from scratch. The Elementor form. Bring it here. And then let's duplicate this and add. Bring it down here. Make it subject. So for its size, we make them extra large, and submit. We'll take away the labels and submit button. Make it default, and then put it at the right. We also increase the size and make it medium. So after this, let's do some styling. So first, let's get to the fields. We don't want this border on throughout the field, so we put 0 to it. We unlink them, and then we put a bottom border for both, and then we take away the border radius. Take away the border radius, as you can see there. Then we go to the button. I will just need some extra padding. I don't like the way it is the way, so let's give it 3 here, 3 at the bottom, 10 right and 10 left. Let's get the background color of transparent, and you can take that away. We give the color of the text should be white because of what we want to achieve. So for hover, we're going to have this our pop color here, and then for the border, let's give it border. We give the border of solid 1 pixel, and then because this isn't showing, so let's just give the form some color just so we have. So we're able to see it there. So come here and give it selector. Selector, that means you're selecting the whole form. So let me get the color that I want to use, which is the purple. Let me take it from the button that I just selected. So I just copy that. Copy this guy here. Then click outside, go back to advanced, come down here, and then click background, and there we go. So as you can see, it's not the full thing, so that's because the fields are white. So that's this, guys. So we'll go to the field, take the field, and then make it completely transparent. Ta-da! Can you see that? So what we want to do now, you can see that everything there's no spacing in between it. So let's give that some spacing. Let's say some padding. You should have that padding in the form. Let's use this one here. So here, let's just give it, let's put in, I like to use percentages instead. So I give 5. That's good. Let's see that. Can you see we're getting close? So, all right, so let's give this some round borders. Let's work on the border radius. Want to have to style that as well. Um, so border radius. Border radius is around 10 pixel. As you can see, we have the border radius. And then, so we come to, I don't like this, I want this to be brighter. So let's go to the text. So for every color you give a text in the field, it will be slightly faint for the placeholder. So we'll give it complete white. As you can see, it makes the placeholder a bit faint. If you type, so that we have white there. Okay. So let's fix something. So let's change the color of the form. I like to change the color of the form to another color. So a brighter purple. I want a brighter purple. Let me come here and select this bright purple and use this guy. Okay. So let me take this back to where it was. Okay. So let's use this bright purple. Better. So what I want. As you can see that we have this purple, which looks better than the first one. So after that, we let's style the border, the bottom border. So we go over the field. So border color, let's make it dark and then make it transparent to a large extent. So it's not 100% visible, but it's still visible. Let's see, this is what we want for our button, but we don't want that. So for the button, we don't want this border to show when hovered. So we can just make the border color purple as well, same color. Okay, better. Okay, so that's what we want to achieve. And then this is also here. So actually this usually shows white for the default setting. But here let's change it to color we would like. So I want a darker purple for the fields when they are focused on. So let's get the color first. I like to get the color first. I like the darker purple. So cancel that just so it doesn't change. I come down here, focus, and then I come and then I style that. So I say input, focus, background for the color here. So let's see that. Okay, so let's, because of the default setting, somehow it's okay, so we're going to have to make this important to have effect because it already has its color selected already. So sorry. Okay, so as you can see, it has the darker color. You see here as well. If you notice in the message it doesn't show, that's because the message isn't an input, it's tagged text area. So I'm going to give it the same thing. So put that focus and some focus. Give it the exact same thing. copy and paste. So we have that as well. Perfect. So where are we? All right. So I don't want my button's border is too bright. So let's reduce that a bit. And okay, let's reduce that a bit. Not too white. I don't want it too bright. Yes, that's perfect. All right. So where are we? Where are we? Okay. So now feel what I want to feel here. Feel whatever I want to feel here. And feel whatever I want to feel here. Doesn't that look great? Okay, so lastly, let's give this some box shadow. Let's give some box shadow to give it another feel. That's going to be our final touch. So we'll come down here, go to the same selector for the full form. This targets the full form. So say box shadow. And we give it 0 pixel, 0 pixel. As you can see, it doesn't show anything yet. So you can reset it for middle. But let's give it a blur, 10 pixel. That's because we didn't give it a color. Sorry. So let's give it a color now. Let's give it 0. Let's give it black. Let's give it black. Oh wow. There we go. As you can see, it has nice blur there. So let's reduce that a bit. Okay, so we have that. And then we can make this. Okay, hi guys. So fixing that in, this stands for the blur. And if we give it some box, we give it some this spread. Let's give it 2-3 pixel spread. Let's see how that looks. We don't want it. We don't want it to be that much. So let's take that away. Okay, so this is perfect, and we have this. Our blur is 8 pixel. It's all perfect. So let's take a look at our phone. Wow, this is good. So yeah, and this is what we want. So after filling all the details necessary, just come down and select the phone. Something wrong with the phone. That's because of the email. So and it's not properly set. So guys, this is how to set or fully give your form some extra styling to make it look just like you want. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos to come. Thanks. Ciao.